Local news for Tuesday the 12th of February. Members of the New Zealand Resident Doctors Association are going on strike for 48 hours from 8 o'clock this morning until Thursday. And members employed by a hospital contractor and OCS have voted to also go on strike over the company's failure to agree to the same pay deal for them as those directly employed by the DHB workers covered by the new DHB MECA, settled just before Christmas. The affected members who work at Wairarapa DHB have voted to walk off the job for 24 hours on the 26th of February. The New Zealand Red Cross is welcoming the government's announcement of new refugee settlements across Aotearoa, including Masterton. The housing and employment situations have been considered in identifying the 5 new locations to ensure they have the capacity to support former refugees. And following the boil water notice issued on Friday the 1st of February, South Wairarapa District Council is continuing to advise that all drinking water from the Martinborough town supply must be boiled before used for drinking, making up formula, juices and ice, washing fruits and vegetables, other cooking needs and things like brushing teeth. For Wairarapa Local News, I'm Brent Gare.